If you are preparing for the PTE test or about to start preparing for it, then this video is going to provide you with a good direction on how to take the best approach. Hello and welcome to the Edutrainex PTE Learning channel, the pioneer in PTE training. I am your host Anurag and I am going to provide you with many useful pointers that will help you in your preparation. In the end, I will also share you the most fruitful technique to perfect your PTE preparation. First things first, the PTE stands for Pearson Test of English. It is a test that is now accepted by all major English-speaking countries like Australia, UK and the US for educational or migrational purposes. It is also now recognized by increasingly number of educational institutions worldwide. There are three versions of the PTE test: PTE Academic, General and PTE for young learners. We are going to focus on the PTE Academic test, which is used for higher education as well as immigration to Australia. The PTE Academic test concentrates explicitly on the real-life examples in English for their questions. It just takes a maximum of 5 days to publish and get your results, a lot faster than any other English test. Also, the registration and booking for a PTE test is much quicker and easier. Additionally, this test is entirely checked by the PTE algorithm, which is an artificially intelligent computer program, so no questions of human bias. If you're looking for a full comparison of PTE and IELTS exam, watch our video on the topic. It's really an eye-opener. Like any other test, PTE, although easier than other English tests, still requires persistence and hard work to crack it successfully. So the first step is to do a self-assessment, evaluating yourself where you stand. How strong are your basic English skills and how much time you need to get to your desired score. It is best to get yourself evaluated from PTE experts like us. Comment below if you need a self-assessment and we can help you. There are several elements such as grammar, writing skills, oral fluency, vocabulary, pronunciation, and so on. I have seen many students who falsely judge themselves as having good English knowledge and then not doing sufficient steps to improve it. And finally, they blame the PTE test. Never do that. Get a detailed evaluation done from us today. Once you have done the self-assessment of your English skills, the next step is to start your preparation. The next step is, how do you choose a PTE training provider? Whether you should choose an online or a classroom. Watch our video on the advantages of online PTE training to understand the benefits of it. Anyways, I don't want to promote ourselves here, but provide you the information so that you can take a decision yourself. Once you have selected a PTE trainer, make sure you get them to prepare a study plan for you. Even if they don't provide a personalized study plan, do it yourself. But don't begin preparation without a plan. The next step is to start your sessions with your tutors, whether it's online or in person. Learn all the strategies and the templates that can help you achieve your desired scores. But remember, just working with the strategies won't help. Improve your English as well at the same time. Once you are thorough with the strategies and improve your English levels, it's time to do a lot of practice for all the 20 PTE tasks. A good PTE training platform should provide you explanations for all the practice questions, and you should try to learn from your mistakes, not to repeat them again in the future. But the writing and speaking task would also require some deeper evaluations, because you need to clearly understand what mistakes you are making and how you can improve them. These feedbacks have to come from a human PTE experts, as no AI can give you a detailed breakdown of the scores and areas to improve. Believe me, these feedbacks are very crucial in improving your PTE scores. The last step, and probably the most crucial step, is to start your mock tests. This is a must-have step for everyone, and if you don't do this, you are risking your PTE scores, as you need to build an understanding of how the real test will be. So make sure the PTE training platform that you have selected at least provide 4 to 5 mock tests, because these tests provides you a flavor of the exam, and in order to get acquainted with the exam, you definitely need mock tests. Start with the sectional mock test for different sections like reading or writing, and then move on to the mini mock test, and then finally to the full length mock test. So gradually improve your level. And in the end, if you want, you can also buy the official PT mock test directly from the PT website. And these tests are very close to the actual test and are evaluated by the same PT software that evaluates the real PT exam. In the end, persistence and hard work is going to pay. So follow your study plan and devote some time daily on practicing. Keep yourself dedicated and motivated throughout your PT preparation journey. Always consult your tutors when you are stuck or have any questions. I hope this video must have made steps needed in your PT preparation much clearer now. Like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more amazing videos like this. See you soon.